Thinking about moving to Huntley, Illinois, but want more space without breaking the bank?
These traditional townhomes in Regency Square offer 2 stories of brand new living, modern finishes, and smart layouts for busy lives.
I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzy. We're your local real estate experts who help families relocate, upsize, and make confident moves right here in McHenry County.
Let's take a closer look.
Regency Square is one of Huntley's newest master planned communities, built by Lennar, with multiple townhome styles designed to meet today's lifestyle. These traditional townhomes offer
2 levels of living space, 3 spacious bedrooms,
2.5 baths,
open concept main floor, attached 2-car garage. You get the comfort of a single family layout with the simplicity of townhome living. No snow removal or yard work. The first thing you'll notice, it doesn't feel like a townhome. The main level is bright and open with a modern kitchen and dining room, perfect for entertaining or relaxing after work.
Upstairs, there's a full laundry room, 2 generous bedrooms, and a primary suite with walk-in closet and a private bath. Some models even include a bonus loft, perfect for a home office or playroom.
These homes are ideal for families upsizing from a condo or small home, relocation buyers who want space without high maintenance, and buyers who need really quick access to I-90, Huntley schools, or modern retail.
And with move-in ready homes available now, timing won't hold you back.
Here's the thing about new construction. You need someone on your side. Builder reps work for the builder. We work for you. That means we negotiate the best possible deal and closing terms. We help you evaluate options that hold resale value, and we guide you through inspections, timelines, and walkthroughs.
And we've worked with Lennar before. We know the model layouts, the quirks, and how to position you for a smooth build-to-close process.
What makes this community stand out is the location and flexibility. You can walk to parks, grab coffee, hop on I-90, and you're minutes from Huntley's downtown charm.
It's not just new, it's smart growth with homes that are built for modern living and supported by Huntley's strong school system and community vibe.
If you're thinking about upsizing, relocating, or simply want something fresh and functional, these traditional townhomes are worth a closer look.
We'll help you compare options, tour with strategy, and get the best outcome for your move. Before you visit the model homes or register with the builder, let's talk.
Builders are fantastic to work with, but it's important to understand that their sales rep represents the builder, not you.
As your buyer agent, we're here to advocate for your best interests, helping you compare upgrades, evaluate incentives, spot hidden costs, and guide you through inspections and closing.
We've helped many clients purchase new construction, and that experience can give you the edge. And we're the Tamara
and Ozzy team, your trusted guides in real estate transitions.
Let's find you your next chapter together.